Exactly like that. So now go turn those on. You look at it. You just take a hot dog. You don't need the tongs yet. You just put it right on there like that. Don't use tongs. It's not hot near the edge. Just put it right next to that one. Put one on this side too. Put the next two. See, it's not that hot. Just want to put them like that, and we're gonna just close the lid. Okay, just put it back where it was and close the lid. That's got a ways to go yet, just like you did already. Yeah, put it here. Just grab the dog. Just pick it up, just like this. Just turn it straight over like that. Wish we were doing some steaks. Turn the ones in the back over. Yeah, take them off and set them on the plates.
Close the grill.
Close the grill. What a wonderful boy, my grandson. How good he cooks. My grandson, my grandson, my grandson. How good he cooks. Cooks.
Yeah.
Turn those, you have to push them in and turn them on. Okay. Yep. Same thing there. Push it in and turn off. Now you gotta open that again. Nope. The bottom, remember that handle? And you can turn that just the opposite way now. Just like you're tightening something till it stops.
Grandma. Yeah, antelopes. What? You like the antelopes on your hot dog?
Well, is it okay?
Yes. No. Okay.